Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to allow everyone to post on your Facebook page using the latest update on PC. If you want more interaction, engagement, and community activity on your page, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to edit. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A smaller menu will expand, and from there, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control everything related to your account and page. Now, inside the settings page, look for the section called Page and Tagging. Click on it to open more options related to how people interact with your page. Scroll a little until you find the option labeled Who can post on your page. This is the key setting we're changing today. Click on it and you'll see different choices available. Select Everyone. This allows any user on Facebook to post directly to your page, making it easier for your audience to share content, feedback, or engage with your brand or community. After selecting Everyone, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. If you skip this step, your settings won't be updated. And that's it. You've successfully enabled posting access for everyone on your Facebook page. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how people interact with your content. If this helped you out, make sure to check your page regularly to manage posts and keep everything positive and relevant.